I'm going to show you a simple way to set up and activate app limits using the screen time feature on an iPhone. We'll take a look at how to do this with apps on your own device, as well as setting restrictions on a child's device through your iCloud family account. Let's say, for instance, we spend way too much time playing solitaire. We still want to play solitaire, but maybe we only want to do 10 minutes at a time. So we'll go ahead and set a time limit on this in this example. To get started, head to your home screen and then find and choose the Settings app. Once you're inside of here, you're going to see Screen Time in this menu. Choose this. If it's your first time ever using Screen Time, you may have to tap Enable to get it started. Once you're on the Screen Time menu here, underneath of Limit Usage at the top, tap App and Website Activity. Next, the first time you do this, you'll have to tap Turn on App and Website Activity. Now we have some more options underneath of Limit Usage. From here, tap App Limits. After that, to set up your first limit, tap Add Limit. From here, you can choose what apps, categories, or websites you want to set limits to. If you want to set a limit to all games on your iPhone, you can just choose the check mark here on the left and it'll set the limit to everything. But since I just want to set the limit to solitaire, I'll uncheck that and then choose games. Now from the drop-down, I'll go ahead and select solitaire. After that, on the top right, tap Next. Here you can set the time limit that you want to place on the app. For this example, I'll just set it to 1. After you choose a time, you can also set what days you want this limit to take effect on. Again, I'll just keep it on every day. And finally, underneath of that, you can choose whether it just tells you your time limit's up or it actually blocks the app from being used. Make all of your choices and then tap Add on the top right. And now after that, we'll see that our solitaire app has a new limit. So I'll go ahead and close the Settings app and then I'll try to go back into solitaire. But since I've already exceeded the amount of time I gave myself for the day, we can see that the time limit has already reached its end. I can tap OK and it'll close the app automatically. I also have the option here at the bottom to choose Ask for more time. If I choose that, I can either turn off the app limit for the day with enter your screen time passcode, or I can give myself 1 more minute. After that, the app's going to work for the 1 more minute that I just gave myself. Next, let's take a look at doing that for a child's device through the iCloud family account. Again, head back into Settings, and inside of the screen time menu here now, scroll down and then tap the child's account that's inside of family. And then just like before, inside of this menu, tap App Limits, and then go through the steps again to set a limit on a specific app on their device. It works exactly the same as if you're doing it on yours, and they can also ask you for more time if you want to give it to them. And if you ever want to delete a time limit that you've put on an app, again, just head back into your screen time menu here, choose App Limits, and then swipe on the app limit that you have here in the list, and then tap Delete. Enter your passcode, and then confirm by choosing Delete Limit. And the time limit's now removed, and we see that the solitaire app goes back to being able to be played. And that's how you set up and activate time limits using screen time on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.